Hi guys, today I'm fixing my kite that I ripped off. Put a huge hole in it freaking day ago, and now I'm fixing it. Just grab some string, a little needle, some tape, and this is how it's going right now. So the first thing you gotta do is you gotta grab the tape and place it along the cut. You basically fold it in half right where the cut begins, and you put half of the tape on that side so you can fold it around and get the other side as well with the same piece of tape. So you only have one strip of tape for the cut. You could also basically fold around the edges with two pieces of tape and one in the middle to make it easier to do this. It's kind of hard to stretch out the fabric and do it all in one, but it is doable. So once you do that one side, you do the other side and repeat the process. Fold it in half and you put half of the tape on one side of the folded edge, so the other side of the tape basically just runs over that cut. Now I'm flipping the kite over again, not because you have to, but I'm just doing all the stitching on one side. I'm going to cut a piece of string, and I'm going to fold that edge once again, and I'm going to put the needle right through the tape and through the kite, and it should go through both sides of that folded edge. So you basically want to repeat this process along the length of the rip. Just go in a spiral manner around. Try to be consistent, but it doesn't really matter that much. This is only a temporary fix. This is by no means a permanent repair for a kite, but it could save you a session or two for sure. Yeah, so just finished my kite. I'm gonna show you how it looks. So this was all ripped through here, all the way out to this side and this side down. You can see it's pretty much fixed. I don't know how well it's gonna hold. Here we go. She ain't pretty, but she'll definitely work.
Pretty good, eh?